What if you could build a real working app just by describing it? No coding, no hiring developers, just your idea. Today, we're going to show you exactly how that's not just some sci-fi dream, it's actually surprisingly easy. Have you ever had that amazing idea for an app pop into your head? Maybe a cool task manager or a little community forum, only to immediately hit that giant brick wall of, oh, right, I don't know how to code. Yeah, we've all been there. Well, that wall is coming down. The reason why is AI. Thanks to some incredible new tools, the power to turn a thought into a real application isn't just for programmers anymore. It's for everyone. So let's dive in and see how this actually works. Okay, so how is this all possible? We're going to focus on one specific platform that's really at the forefront of this whole movement. It's called Base 44. So, what is Base 44? Well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's a platform that uses artificial intelligence to do the building for you. You're not messing around with code blocks or complicated logic puzzles. Nope. You just describe what you want, in normal everyday English, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. I love this way of putting it because that's exactly what it feels like. It's like you've got your own personal developer on call, but you don't need to learn their language. You just have a conversation, and the result is a custom app built just for you. It's amazing. So let's just quickly break down what that means. You're getting an AI-powered builder, and it works for both web and mobile apps right out of the box. And the most important part, absolutely no programming is needed. It really is the whole package. All right, that's the big picture, but talk is cheap, right? Let's get our hands dirty and walk through how you would actually go about creating your very first app. Getting started is honestly as simple as signing up for anything else online. You just head to the site, create a free account, log in, and boom, you land on your dashboard. Right there, you'll see a big button to Create New Project. They've made it so there's absolutely nothing in your way. And okay, this is where the magic really begins. You're not faced with a complicated screen full of options. It's just a simple box, a prompt box. Your entire app, your whole big idea starts right here with just a few sentences. For instance, you could literally type something just like this. See how it's specific but totally conversational? You're not writing code, you're just laying out the key things you want. I need user logins. I want to be able to sort tasks into categories, and I definitely need reminders. Simple as that. And here's a little pro tip for you. The more detail you can pack into that initial description, the closer the AI is going to get to your vision on its first try. So it pays to spend an extra minute thinking through the features you want. It'll save you a ton of time down the road. Okay, so the AI has worked its magic and built the foundation of your app. But you're not stuck with what it gives you. Now comes the really fun part, making it completely your own. Base 44 gives you this super intuitive visual editor. Seriously, if you've ever used a tool like Squarespace or Wix to build a website, you're going to feel right at home. You can just click on any part of your app and change it directly. And you have total control over the look and feel. You can tweak the layouts, change the color scheme, rewrite all the text, move buttons around, the works. And this is crucial, you can easily flip between the desktop and mobile views to make sure your app looks great everywhere. But it gets even better because customization isn't just about visuals. Remember how you started the app by just describing it? You can use that same method to add powerful new features on the fly. This is where you really see the platform's power. We're not just talking about changing colors here. You can add seriously complex functionality. Need a login page? Just ask for authentication, and it builds a secure system. Want to sell products? Tell it to integrate payments with Stripe. It handles the database, the APIs, all that technical stuff for you. So you've built your app, you've customized it to perfection, you've added all the features. Now it's time for the most rewarding step of all, bringing it to life. And the final steps are incredibly straightforward. You just click the preview button, which lets you click around and use your app exactly like a real user would, test everything out, and once you're happy with it, you just hit that big publish button. Publishing isn't some long, complicated ordeal. Your app goes live on the web instantly. You get a shareable link you can send to anyone. You even get the option to export it for the iOS and Android app stores. And maybe the best part of all, you don't have to worry about hosting or servers or any of that complicated setup. It's just handled. So just think about that for a second. A process that used to take months, huge budgets, and a whole team of engineers can now literally be done in an afternoon. This is a complete shift in what it takes to get from an idea in your head to a live working app in the world. So at this point, the only barrier left is your own imagination. The tools are here, the process is simple. The question is no longer, can you build it? It's, what will you build? What problem are you going to solve? What will you create first?